another video. This is Rivals. This is a weird gun game. Bruh! Why is my Wi-Fi trash? Oh my god! Ah! What's happening? I cannot move. Ah! Nagsasabi kerikit ka ba? Thanks for my teammates. Everybody, it's gonna be started. There's a story, nobody can see. My sister is crush of YouTubers. What is this? What? Can't tell. Scream at those people who took me. Yep. I'm the crush. I am. Wait, what? Yeah, but I'm not. I'm just making a video on weird gun game. Boom. Sorry about that. That's making the noise. Oh my god. My language. Yeah. My language. Wow. That's how I lose. This song is just loud. I'm listening to the background noise. Guess what? I have 61 subscribers. It's Parato. Hey man! Kain mo na! Puti mo that guy. It's my enemy brother again. Aiden. Don't worry about that, this is my enemy brother again. Dara. Same body. Staying in here. What did they do? This thing. ito sila. Who is that guy? Ano ba doon ka? Oh, nagdami yung gumayo na selfie. Yeah, I don't know why. May binabuga. Ano pro? What the? Oh, you think this is a pro? Dang. Ano pro yan, bro? Kaya ka pa. Why do I keep on falling? Enemy. May depan yung enemy. 19 goals. Ganito pa. Oh my god, what? Napila kami ni dito ba? Ha? 15, more or less 15 minutes. Okay. Mustahil. Yes, sushi day. Fish I do this map every time I fall in the water. Hello, I'm under the water. Gonna go in the sniper type tower. The best game ever in Roblox. driver is there. Waiting my driver. Nothing like. Ah! This is why I hate Fishy Bay. I said you really like driving too. Wait, I said my sister said he like weird gun game. He said he's not gonna play it again. But you want to join? But it's a noob play. It's a noob server. For those who are watching that I accidentally killed, I'm super sorry. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry for you. You watching